Hi there everyone, this is DJ from GarageFarm.net Academy coming at you with another episode of CG Insight, fresh news from CGI industry. This time we're taking a look at the new release of 3dsMax 2021.2, so let's dive right into it. Autodesk has just released a new update to their flagship 3D creation tool, 3dsMax, with Max users complaining about slow development of new features in latest releases. Not another chamfer tool improvement? This time, judging on the comments online, they seem to be more pleased, as some cool new features arrived into this release. Let me point out a few highlights. The new Smart Extrude tool, a thing SketchUp users loved so much. When you extrude the faces in, the app adopts the geometry accordingly, removing or joining unnecessary faces, edges or verts. The new workflow is much more intuitive and efficient in polymodeling. You might have noticed it's strangely similar to what's been introduced in the new Blender 2.9, which makes me assume that Autodesk is watching Blender's developments closely and tries to stay on top in the game. In the end, both Blender and Max users can be happy. That's definitely a healthy competition example. Spline chamfer modifier. Yes, this is another chamfer tool, but this time allowing you to automatically bevel points of a spline. The tool seems very handy and adds up to the overall good spline tools in Max. OSL bitmap random tiling. This handy OSL node lets you break the tiling effect of textures in your shaders, a featured trend to be seen all over the 3D apps. Check the latest Corona render engine release, for example. That does not cover all the new features or bug fixes included in the new release. You can check out a complete list on the Autodesk webpage. How do you feel about this release? Let us know in the comments below. And if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss the next one. You can also check out tutorials and live streams on our channel to boost your CG knowledge and skills. Keep on rendering and see you in the next videos from GarageFarm.net Academy.